In this question, four statements are given, and in the context of these two statements, you have to choose the correct answer. Now, statement A, annelids are true coelomates. Now, this is true. Annelids possess a true coelom, that is, body cavity entirely lined by mesoderm, making them true coelomates. B, poriferans are pseudocoelomates. This is not true. Poriferans, such as sponges, they lack any body cavity. That is, they are acoelomate. They have a very simple body structure with a porous body and no coelom. C. Ascomyces are acoelomates. Now, this is also incorrect. Ascomyces, for example, roundworms, are pseudocoelomates. And they are not acoelomates because they have a body cavity which is partially lined by mesoderm. D. Platyhelminthes are pseudocoelomates. Now, this is also incorrect because platyhelminthes, that is the flatworms, are acoelomates. That is, they lack a true body cavity. Hence, the correct answer is option B, as only the statement A is true.